What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get going on in today's I guess endeavor, Katie and I just packed up our first round of orders from you guys from the merch. Unreal, you guys. First of all, I got this, that, there's a laundry basket down there, there's another bin over there. You guys sold the hoodies out, and you're doing a number on all the other products as well, so I can't thank you guys enough. Your support is unreal. We're gonna head over to the post office now, get all these out. There's about 100 some orders. We were working on it all morning. We're gonna get these out, and then we're gonna get underway with doing some mods on that red Chevy.
Car karaoke.
You're gonna slide right off that dash. Bye bye. Mine. I'm like, holy crap.
When your like 5-year-old gets a hold of your phone.
Right. Yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you for your support. If you guys didn't get a hoodie the first round, we've got 2 hoodies coming. We've got a new variation, and we also have the original one, more to restock. Pay close attention to these videos and Instagram for when those get here, because as soon as they get here, they will be on the website for release. Keep it close. I mean, I know some of you wanted one and couldn't get one. Just stay on the lookout for when they arrive, which should be very soon. Today, we'll be working on our Chevy 1500 build going on here. The comment section is going nuts. I don't know what you guys want me to do. Do you guys want a flatbed? Do you not want a flatbed? Long time ago I mentioned a flatbed. Everyone's like, yeah, flatbed. And then I said I'm gonna make a flatbed the other day, and the whole comment section said no flatbed, no flatbed, no flatbed, don't do a flatbed, don't do a flatbed. So I don't know what you guys want. I could very well just slap the bed back on, fix the rusty wheel wells, and paint the whole truck. Or if you guys kind of want a flatbed, I could also do that. So let me know in the comments below, and we will get that underway. Next thing, today we will be working on power mods for this truck. We have our, well, we got our new headers, exhaust manifold here. We got our Banks Ram cold air intake. We have our tuner for this truck. We also have our Banks Monster Ram exhaust underneath there that will probably be put on in next video. It may need some modification because they don't exactly have a direct fit for a regular cab long box. We may have to do some modification, which is absolutely fine. I knew that going into the process. That is also going to be on here soon. But today I want to start tackling these headers. I kind of want to get in here and break the old ones off, but also get the air box taken out, and in the process too, I want to get these suckers painted. I mean, you could stick these on your truck, no problem, but after years of just sitting here and stuff, you're gonna get just normal oxidation, and you're gonna end up with headers looking like that again. So you're gonna want to paint them with header paint. Now, here's my 3-second rant here. I just went to AutoZone to pick up the paint, which I'm like, I love Amazon for the life of me. Everything I pretty much ever order, Amazon. And it's for this exact reason. I needed header paint. I thought, okay, last minute I'll go pick it up. Katie and I, we decided, let's do orange. Go to AutoZone. First of all, the whole store's orange. They don't even have orange header paint. So we got the we ended up settling for red just because we got the red VHT flame proof, and then I also have like a satin clear to go on it. But as soon as you open a hood and you see something colorful, like obviously those red headers right there are just gonna stand out. So it's just an awesome look. Just how when I pop the hood of my Ram, you guys see all the purple powder coating. And for the 2nd gen swap too, it will be Illusion Purple as well, yes. It just drives me nuts. Like retail stores right now drive me nuts, because every time you want something, it's not in stock. So what's the purpose of having it in a store when you could just have it in a warehouse and ship it to your house and be there in days? Like I guarantee you guys, retail and stuff like that, whew, soon here, because even little things like that, and it happened so often this past year where I needed something at a store and it wasn't there, and I could just order it and it'll be here from Amazon the next day. Unreal. So we're going with red and a satin clear. Give us a little shine on these headers. I'm gonna show you guys how to paint your headers today, and we can get them protected and installed. Now these new headers are Banks torque tubes, come in the power pack kit from Banks Power. Go on their website, put in your vehicle, and you can see a large variety of options for your specific vehicle. Everything you see here is for this 5.3 liter Chevy 1500, and we're gonna have a blast with it. First thing, like I said, we're gonna get these tubes coated so we don't have any rusting issues or weathering issues in the future. It even says on this little tag, it says chromate oxide will appear brown on the surface. This is normal and won't affect the product. It won't. It's just normal. But if you want to keep a like awesome look to your headers like we want to, VHT flame proof paint. Okay, so we're just gonna let this dry up here and we'll flip it over and get the other side. But these are looking awesome. We have our Banks AutoMine tuner here. Boom, here we go, flash programmer. And definitely an update cable as well. Our key here. Ignition on. And we have it reading the stock ECU profile. So we have confirmation it is doing something. Reduced engine power, not good. Just kidding. Just tuning. So here we go. We got Sport 87, Work Tow, Sport, Super Sport 91. As you can see here are tune options. The Super Sport 91, 91 octane or higher fuel is required. Sport 87 and Economy both use 87 octane fuel. Now here's the thing. As you can see, I have a full tank of 87 octane fuel, so I'm really not going to drain the tank and fill it. When this tank runs out, I will get 91 octane fuel and we can tune it up to there. So all of our shift points and shift pressures have gone to the Banks recommended value. You can adjust them manually if you want. I would like to drive it and see how the first to second and second to third shift is with the Banks value. If not, I will definitely adjust the pressure of it, because the first to second shift in this transmission, like a bunch of you have said, is quite lacking, so I may want to bump that up. And we're done and it's resetting. You're gonna press OK. Sport 87 tune is now installed. Oh guys, so I tuned it and then I untuned it, and we got this rough idle thing going on now, and it should die out in a second if I keep it going. I can't tell this and there it died out, but the fuel pump sounds fine. But online some people said that's our fuel pump issue, like it's gone. I don't know. Both tuned and back to the stock file both run like crap. I just haven't started it in a while or driven it, so not really sure what's going on. Still a no. If you guys could confirm that for me in the comment section below, anybody who's had that problem before, let me know. I will be getting an AC Delco fuel pump on the way, because I know a lot of you said use stock, so I will do that. However, in the meantime, I did flip our headers over and painted the underside. They're looking awesome. I think I'm going to get the clear, satin clear. And then when you're done, you're supposed to cure this paint, which people don't know. Some people are going to be like, oh, you didn't tape off this side. It's like, you just don't paint it. Simple as that. Shoot this way when you're getting these edges, and you'll be just fine. Look at how clean those are. Those dry semi close to that, that will look killer. So when I went to Eastwood the other day and I bought my shop crane, the guy at the counter was like, obviously they always try to sell you on some kind of deal, but I always need a light, so I ended up buying this little, oh that's bright, this little rechargeable puck light. So we're gonna put it to use. We're gonna take off our old cold air intake now. As you can see, first of all, look, this thing is all smashed and dented. What? That's awful. So we can get our new Banks one installed. Might install it after I do the headers. Let's get this off and see. I actually probably should have picked more of this up, the Seafoam Deep Creep, at the store while I was there. It's where our headers are, and you can see, not the best example, but like you can see how rusty these bolts are. I've heard people say they break off, so literally just gonna get in here and oh, well, if I could just spray the thing straight, get it on the get it on these bolts, so we won't have any or less trouble getting them off, because I don't really want that. This side's got a lot more stuff on it. And it also has the steering shaft. Let me try and go like this, yeah. And this one should be back here. So yeah, we're gonna let that soak and do its thing, so we should have a easier time getting those off. Guys, well, unfortunately, that's honestly gonna do it for today's video. I really want to make sure that fuel pump is our issue before I really get into this and I start ripping the headers off and stuff like that. I really just want to get and make sure that that is it. I'll be reading the comments as this video goes live. If that seems to be the consensus, fuel pump would be on order immediately. I'll probably order it immediately either way, so we can get that swapped out, installed. Thursday's video, we will be ripping the exhaust off, putting our new Banks Monster exhaust on, that's for sure. We're getting that all fitted up, get our new tip on. So I will show you guys how to cure these. Along with the exhaust, I should be attempting to rip these headers off. We have a welder on the way. We have an Eastwood welder that is just got shipped. I'm gonna be chopping that off, the inners, the outers, getting all that stuff, taking the doors off, getting just getting the cab corners and the rocker panels fixed. It's coming along. I've actually never built something like this fast. Like that SEMA truck, you guys seen how many combinations I went through. And you know this Hellcat's like an endless thing, like cold air intake here. I did my side markers, my tin. Like this thing is just, this is my fun little toy. It hangs out, I have a good time with. But the parts for me to do what I want to do should be available soon. Just gonna make it a whole new animal, and it's just gonna be oh, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I've never built something so fast, and like it's kind of fun and enjoyable. Like always come out here and just do something. I've never done like headers or anything in my life, so this is gonna be fun. It's gonna sound great, and hopefully you guys enjoy this series. If you haven't been here before, please get down and click subscribe. I will see you guys Thursday. So yeah, I will see you guys.